How to get all Discord badges. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your Discord account, then open up the settings. Under settings, simply open up profile, and if you have been on Discord for a while now, you would be able to find this option of legacy username badge. Simply enable it and you would get a badge quite easily, the easiest way. Now let's move on with our another badge, which is when you open up the settings and scroll down, you would be able to find this option of Hype Squad. Simply click on it, then take the test, and depending on your answers, you will get a badge quite easily. And this is how easy it is. Now for another badge, you will have to open up a new server on Discord and follow some procedures. So after getting a server, simply open up the settings of server. I have already set up the community, but when you simply open up community, and here you get the option to enable community, simply click on it and get started. After that, just follow the procedure, then open up Discord portal, developer portal, and here apply for a new application. And when you apply for an application, just simply fill all the details about your bot, and you would basically have to get a bot on your server and create it. You would also be required to use this particular website, which is BotGhost, and just simply click on this option of create a bot, invite this bot into your server. We have actually created a whole video about it on our channel itself. You can see that as well. So after that, you can wait and you would be getting a developer badge on Discord. And if you have a server which is unique and active, then you would also get a Discord partner badge, which is quite good. So these are some ways you can use in order to get different badges. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.